Hey friends, if you wish to sync settings across devices on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. Now in the right pane, scroll down and select Windows Backup. Okay, and then simply make sure that all these two switches are on, which is remember my apps and remember my preferences, and all of these check boxes are on as well. Now I'll tell you what happens. Let's say this is my Hotmail address, okay, and this is the one that I use to log into other devices, and OneDrive shows syncing, it's green, app list is syncing, preferences are syncing. So when I log into the same account on a different device, everything will be synced. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.